How to change your gaming hub gamer profile name on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Next, open up the gaming hub. Then in here, we go back to the gaming hub homepage. At the top here, tap on the profile icon. In your gaming profile, tap on the edit button. In here, you can change the name. So I will delete that name and I will change it to ID Jingles and then tap on save. Now you can also change the profile picture as well if you want. So swipe across here and then change the, select a different pictures. So there's a few in here that you can select and then tap on save. And that's it. So that is how you can change your profile, your gamer profile name in the Gaming Hub. And that's it. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.